Hey friends, if Windows 11 shutdown box keeps popping up randomly, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So the first solution is to update Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the Windows update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates. The next solution is to scan for malware. Search for MRT and then open the option here. Let it load, it will need a few seconds. Okay. And once it does, click on next, select full scan, click on next once again and let it scan through. And the last solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.